Namaste everyone. In this video, we will be modeling this particular part using Solidworks in 3D. Let's begin. So this is how the part is going to look like after it has been modeled. Let's go ahead and create it. Take a new part, change the units to MGS. Let's start. So these are the dimensions given to us here, and using these, we will have to model it. So we will start by modeling this particular section along with two holes. So let's go back to our Solidworks program. We have already taken a new file, change the woods, go for sketch and sketch, then J to select front plane. The front plane will adjust accordingly. Next, we want to pair this particular cross section. So since this point will be used by other features also, I'd like to keep that exactly at the center. For that, I'll just take circle, click here, give the diameter, go to dimensions, click on the circle, and give the diameter that is 190. Next, we need to create these two lines, and they need to be symmetric about the origin. So let us create a first line from this somewhere on the circle. We need a vertical line that intersects the circle this end also. After creating it, just drag and check how it behaves. We need to create a mirror of this line on the other side. To do that, first we will need to create a center line at this point to this point. And then we will use this line as a mirror for creating this. For that, go to mirror elements over here. Entities to mirror, select this. Line 1 should appear. Mirror about, click on this, and then click on this line. Line 2 will be selected. You can see in yellow it is highlighted. Just click on OK, and the lines will be created. To make sure the line is created correctly, just click and drag these blue lines to see if they are symmetric. Now we just need to put the dimensions here. Let's see what are the dimensions. That is 76. Go for smart dimensions, click on both the lines, click in the middle, and change the value to 76. Now you can see the whole diagram in black, which means it is constraint properly. We don't need this side arcs. Just take this trim and drag some lines passing over the arcs. It will be removed. Press escape to come out of trim. Take a circle command to create a circle somewhere on this line. Make sure you are not creating exactly on the middle point, or else you will not be able to give the dimensions 130. Let's create somewhere away from this midpoint. Take circle, click somewhere on this, take dimension. Diameter of the circle is 28. Let's change it to 28. Now we need a copy of this circle on this side of the origin, and both should be symmetric about it. So to do that, we will need a center line starting at the origin and horizontal. This line will be used as mirror line to copy this circle on the other side. To do that, take the mirror entities option. Entities to be mirrored, click on the circle and click here in mirror about, and then click on the mirror about line. Yellow circle will be displayed here. Just click on tick mark. You can see now the two circles have been created. Just to make sure that it is indeed symmetric, drag and see how they are moving. To give the distance between them, take this distance 130 for smart dimensions. Click on the center of this and center of this. Give the distance 130. So now this diagram is complete. We need to go for features, extruded, boss, or base. You can see the area has been selected automatically. You just need to change the thickness, which is given here in the side view, 32. Let's go for 32 here and click OK. For the shaft, go for sketch, select this plane, hit circle, this point as center, draw a circle. Diameter of that is 50. Let's go ahead and make it 50. And go for extrude. There is no fixed length for this, so we can take it whatever you want. And click OK. You can see that these sides are filleted round. Let's go ahead and create fillet. This one, some radius, let's say 5. Lastly, we will have to cut this and create snugs. Let's go ahead on this face. Let's create a sketch. Take a rectangle right here. Now we need to fix the midpoint of this to coincide with this point. Let us keep our cursor for some time here. Click to select the midpoint, and then come here. Keep cursor again for some time. Midpoint will be highlighted. Press Ctrl and select it. When both points are selected, you will get option here for coincident. When you move it, you will see that it is moving symmetrically. Let's give the dimensions. Both dimensions are taken. So this is 48. And then go for feature, would cut, choose the option through all. You can see that most of the object has been created. Now there are some small minute details over here and here. They are called as snug. That is shape 3 into 3. Let's go ahead and do that. Select this face. Go for sketch. To orient this properly, press space bar. Select this face. We take a rectangle. Draw the rectangle such that one end of it is on the circle. Press escape and then drag this point and keep it when the circle gets highlighted. So now both these points will remain on the circle and the rectangle moves symmetrically. Select this line, press Ctrl and select this. Click equal to make them equal so that now it behaves like a square. Then give dimensions. This line is 3. We need a same copy of the same at the bottom side. Let's go ahead and create extrude cut for now. Height to be cut is 3. You can see that this snug has been created here. Now we need to copy this over to this side as well. Do that. Let's go for mirror. Just here. Mirror face or plane. Open this, or we'll have to enable the view. Now click here and select the plane about which you want mirror. Features to be mirrored. Go ahead and select here. You can also select here. And finally, click OK. You can see a mirror of that snug has been found here. Go ahead and save this file. We are done with it.